Dog and the Stray Cat. A short moral story. Bruno, a big golden retriever, lived in a cozy house with a loving family. He had a warm bed, plenty of food, and lots of love. But one rainy evening, as he watched the world from his porch, he saw a small, scruffy stray cat shivering in the cold. Bruno's first instinct was to bark and scare it away. After all, dogs and cats weren't supposed to be friends. But as he looked closer, he noticed how thin and tired the cat looked. It had no shelter, no food, and no one to care for it. Instead of chasing it away, Bruno trotted inside and grabbed a piece of bread from his bowl. He gently placed it in front of the cat and stepped back. The stray hesitated, then quickly ate the food, its eyes filled with gratitude. That night, the cat curled up near the porch, safe from the rain. Bruno lay beside it, sharing his warmth. From that day on, the two became the best of friends. The stray cat, now named Whiskers, was welcomed into the family. Bruno learned that kindness knows no boundaries, and sometimes the ones we least expect can become our closest friends. Moral: true kindness comes from the heart, and friendship can be found in the most unexpected places. Thank you for watching.